What's up, guys? We're gonna be playing today Animal Company. I've been already playing this game with my cousin.
But the video didn't record. I know now why.
Yeah, so
Something happened.
meet Kuba. He's my editor.
Okay.
He's gonna be editing this video, by the way. So stay tuned. He's really good at editing. So we're gonna be going to the mystery forest today, but we're gonna need a flashlight. Okay, so I have a flashlight, by the way, and I have 51. Oh, so I can also buy a non-brick.
Wait, what? How is it for $4.99?
Okay.
Give it back.
Okay, I have the, Yeah, you have it.
No. Oh no! You take it away from me.
Okay, come on. We gotta, because there is a maze that I saw, and I want to really see it. And there is like a boss little mini fight. So,
I don't know.
come on. No, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Okay, come on. Hey, you go first.
You know what? No.
Yes.
No, I'm the editor.
Alright, you're the #1 editor. Let's just go. Okay, so when we are in this mystery forest, and where is my editor? Yeah, there's my #1 editor. Give me that. Ah!
Oh no!
Dude, wait! Here we go! Huh? Okay, I'm not gonna do anything to your little flashlight. I can't.
Later, that's big flashlight.
Okay.
Mega super ogromny flashlight. Mega super big flashlight.
Okay, let's go. Let's just go. I remember that the maze was right there. Come on, dude. You go first. You go first. Or maybe I can go. Yeah, this is the mystery forest.
Oh.
Oh, there's the maze that I was talking about. Look, here. Come on. Dude, come on. Okay, come on. Here it is. Now it's dark. Dude, there's something here.
What? It's here! I see him.
Come on here. Oh my!
What is it?
What the freak is that?
No, you go first.
No, you go first, dude.
No,
You go first.
no, you go first.
What? Oh, hell no! I'm not going first. Wait, I think this is for distracting him. Right. Yes, for go! He's coming.
No, take off.
I hear him walking.
Bruh.
Oh, when you have your map on, it shows where everybody is. You just need to click at your little swatch, and you have the map.
Oh, he is in here. He's looking at us.
Hey, no!
Look at him.
Wait, maybe
Wait,
he...
look at him. Ah! Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Go!
No, I'm not.
Go! I'm running away, dude. Wait, no, I cannot. I'm running away as fast as I can. I think I hear him work. Go, 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 go. I hear him. Dude. He looks so weird.
I know. What do you think? I got jump scared by him.
I think that we cannot scream. He can hear us.
Hey, that's good.
Like literally, dude. That was so spooky. Wait, what is this?
No!